The 2500 Giant. Schulte's 2500 Giant rock picker is another popular model. Its flat design grate slope reduces the chance of throwing rocks around to the tractor, plus prevents jamming. The Giant has a large 2.5 cubic yard bucket, durable tapered T-iron grate, and heavy wire springs that will hold the bats firmly into position and cushion the most severe shock loads for rocks up to 27 inches in diameter. This unit comes with a pivoting hitch, a floating grate, rock guards, large tires, a rock deflector to keep the rocks in the bucket, and greasable, replaceable C1045 bat pins that help reduce wear in all pivot areas. Standard features exclusively only on the 2500 Giant from Schulte makes it another smart choice in today's demanding market.